In you, I found not just a lover, but a true partner. Someone who understands me in ways no one else could have ever could. Our bond was built slowly, patiently, with laughter, trust, and shared moments.
Wala nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, napuno ito ng pagmamahal, saya at walang katapusang ligaya. Diba? You are my light in every dark moment, my calm in every storm, and ito totoo to and the reason I believe in forever. Hindi ko na-imagine na darating pala to. And here I am. And I thank God na today I vow to love you not just in your brightest days, but also in your quietest moment.
Our love story was well written by God, and I'm so grateful that I trusted His perfect timing. Through every high and every low, I promise to stand by you as your friend, your lover, and your partner. I will honor the beautiful love we've built, always remembering that it's rooted in the trust and respect we've cultivated from the very beginning.
I promise to cherish you, protect you, and make you laugh. Kahit minsan, corny ako, wala ka ng choice.
I promise to love you as Christ loves us, unconditionally, sacrificially, and with a heart that seeks to serve.
Ikaw ang puso ko, ang tahanan ko, at ang pinakamagandang biyaya ng buhay ko.
Lord, teach them that marriage is not living merely for each other. It is through uniting and joining hands to serve.
Mas natural na ganyan, mas masaya. Ano to?
Basahin mo na. Open mo na.
To my love, every moment with you feels like a beautiful new beginning. Here's a little gift to capture all the memories we'll continue to make together. I can't spend forever with you. Ano to? Chocolate? Wala namang gantong gaming computer eh. Uy ka! Bakit? To, tinan mo to. Tingnan nyo binigay. Alam mo, hindi ako mahilig dito eh. Pero, guys, tingnan nyo binigay sa akin, oh. Hindi, kailangan ko sabihin sa inyo, binigyan ako ng iPhone 16 Pro Max. Fully paid?
Fully paid. Ikaw ang pinakamagandang biyaya na dumating sa akin, and every day, you remind me how lucky I am to have you by my side.
Ba't yung reaction nyo?
Eh kasi, kanina na ako nasi-excite pagkita ko ng paper bag. I know.
Hindi kasi iPhone eh. Hoy mahal niya. Guys, gusto niya yan. Maniwala kayo.
sa mga apat na testigo. Akala nyo, hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog. Wala kainit pa. No. Pero magaling din tayo mag-Bisaya. Kasi pulubi ako sa Bisayangan. Ito 37, marami na ang ginawang panukuhan, di ba? Sana kahit ikaw ay nagsawa na. Oo.
Kasi kung po, at worst, sorry pa pag magkipag-uwitan kayo sa tatay. Tsaka na, pwede na ako pagka-apo.
At this time, we officially welcome my daughter-in-law, Martha, to our family!
Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa kaya kong ipakita o ipahayag, ngayon, bukas, magpakailanman, and always, I love you.
I look forward on traveling with you and enjoying new experiences together. I love you so much, Dan Melbert Cruz. Thank you.
Sabi naman.